This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. 3-bedroom 1.5 bath brick and vinyl ranch home with bonus room situated on approximately 0.505 acres. Home is built with an open floor plan. Living room is plumbed for a gas space heater. Kitchen has a breakfast bar and spacious dining area. The huge bonus room has previously been used as a beauty shop, but would be a great area for a home office or family room or playroom, etc. There is a covered rear patio, which is a great place for relaxing or entertaining. The lot is level. The 2 storage buildings remain. There is a detached double carport. There is a handicap ramp to the entrance at the bonus room. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.